Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to add a tracking page on your order Shopify page. So here we have various options for a Shopify user, but Shopify includes a basic tracking feature by the order status page after the checkout, but this does not work well as a public tracking order page unless customer are logged in. So I am going to make a website where without getting logged in you can use your tracking page over Shopify. So we have various options, like I can say I have bunch of options to make this tracking page. Like I can create or I can install apps over this Shopify store, or I can make it manually. First of all, let me tell you about options like apps. So we need to be install a tracking app, so we need to be click over here apps option, then we need to search something apps like it called parcel panel. So in this way I can easily find out tracking page, or I can create person panel tracking page. So this is really simple. You can use this option where you can track your whole process. So where we have such a various apps, like I need to say that 17 track, then track 123 rush. You can use this platform, but in this video I'm going to make a Shopify page manually for the tracking options. First of all, you need to be create a new page. So you need to be go here online store. Once you click over here you will find out three options here. So you need to be go on pages next to the theme, just click over here. Once you click over here you will find out options like tracking page. I already created, so right now I will going to delete this one, then I will create it again. So let's dive into the main topic again. So my page has been deleted, so I'm going to add a new page over here. So click on add page option, and I will give a title that will be tracking page. So now I need to be create on this save button. Just click over here. Before click save button, you need to be check out this visible options. Once you click over here, just now click this save button. Once you click this save button, now the page has been saved and published. So now again go over there and tracking page, and you can visit the page. So you can find out the result that our tracking page has been saved. So now we have left some few works, that is we need to be click over here again. We need to be this page, and here we need to be some work on, like we need to be copy. Like I already made a form or documents for you guys, that is engineered e-com order tracking script plus email. You will find out this script in your description box. Just check this out and you will find out. Just click over here and copy whole script and then paste it in this content box. Once you paste it, just click again save. But remember a thing, before pasting this text you need to always enable this show HTML. Without doing this you are not getting any kind of result in here. Let me give you a sample. I already save it, so I am going to check this tracking page again, refresh it, and let's see what the result is really work. Let the example, you can see that our tracking page has not worked yet, so we have some obstacle in that place. So we need to be work on that place. We need to be enable the HTML. Once we click over here we need to be remove those, and then we need to be paste our code over that place. This way I think our tracking page will be work perfectly. So now you can go scroll down and find out the save and click over here. Once you click over here your page has been saved again, and if you check out your tracking page then you can find out the result, and you can see. Let's check it again. Okay, let's check it from that place. Click over view, and now it's not work yet, so we need to be it's now you can see the result. We need to be click over here save. Once I click over here, now we can view this page. So let's see the result. The result has been published here, and eventually our tracking page has been done and we can work on it. Like let me search something for our tracking that will be random, and let's track, and you can see the result. It will take a while, and it will provide you the result. So mainly we don't have any name around this random tracking number, that's why the code has been not worked yet. So if you have a valid tracking number, then you can usually work on it. So without it, you are not able to do it. So after completing the tracking page, you need to add your tracking page on your navigation bar. So therefore you need to visit on that place, that will be content. Once you go here, you have many options like menus. Just click over here. Once you click over here, I'm going to set my menu in this here. So I'm going to set this tracking page on over there, so my customer or my client easily find out these options in this menu bar. So I need to go on here to add up the navigation on my page. Just go in content, then you will find out menu. Just click over here and you will have this option, and the main menu is our real menu. Just click over here and click here, add new item. Just click over here and you can add any level like tracking, or you can add anything you want. It's totally up to you. Then click on the save. Again, provide the valid, and they will give you the option for suggestion. Just click over here and click tick, and then eventually I can say our work has been done for setting menu bar. You need to refresh it. Once you refresh it, you will find out the result over that place. So let's view our store from that place. Sometimes it gives some error. So again, our tracking page has not been set. Why, I don't know. I need to click on saved again, menu update, and let's see our store. So now you can see that our tracking page has been added to this menu bar. Now you can access it, allow to access it easily. So the process is really simple and easy. So it's totally up to you. So if I give you a option that manual tracking with link to Shopify status, you can link to navigate Shopify tracking like this way. But I am going to give you some pro tips around this video, that will be customize your tracking page with your brand colors and messenger. It will make your website more engaging. Second one, use tracking app that send auto updates by email or SMS. That always engage your customer with your store. They will always view your store by using these tracking apps. Also, enable multi-language support if you ship internationally. It is really necessary for your website. And that's it. I think this suggestion will help you, and I try my best to give you a step-by-step breakdown about how you can add tracking page on your Shopify store. I think this process is really simple and easy for you, and now you can implement the same idea on your website. I hope this video is really knowledgeable for you. So if you have any questions related to this video, you are allowed to comment on comment box. I will give you all comments answer, and till then I will see you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Until then, have a good day.